students, in this video I will discuss about MCQs multiple choice question of chapter number 1 resources and development of your geography book India and the Contemporary World. As you know, MCQs of each chapter is very important for your examination purpose. So let's start. First MCQs, which one of the following soil is ideal for growing cotton? Number A, rugged soil, B, laterite soil, C, desert soil, D, mountainous soil. Right answer is A, rugged soil. Second MCQs, soil is formed by the process of A, denudation, B, gradation, C, weathering, D, erosion. Right answer is weathering, C option. Third question, land left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year is called culturable wasteland, current fallow land, wasteland, none of the above. Right answer is B, current fallow land. Fourth question, there is enough for everybody's need but not for anybody's greed. Who said this? A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, C, M.K. Gandhi, D, Sundarlal Bahuguna. Right answer is M.K. Gandhi, C option. Number 5, resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization are known as A, potential resources, B, stock, C, developed resources, D, reserves. Right answer is developed resources. Number 6, which one of the following statement is correct as regard to international resources? A, resources which are regulated by international institution, B, resources which lie beyond the territorial water, resources which are found along the international frontier, resources which are not yet developed. Right answer is resources which are regulated by international institution, A. Seventh question, the first International Earth Summit was held in A, Geneva, B, New York, C, Japan, D, Rio de Janeiro. Right answer is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Eighth question, the most widespread relief feature of India is A, mountains, B, forests, C, plains, D, plateaus. Right answer is plains. Number 9 question, resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. A, renewable resources, B, developed resources, C, national resources, D, potential resources. Right answer is D, potential resources. Question number 10, which one of the following statement is true about the term resources? A, resources are free gift of nature, B, they are the functions of human activities. Number C, all those things which are found in nature, D, things which cannot be utilized to fulfill our needs. Right answer is option B, they are the functions of human activities. Number 11, the red soil is red in color because A, it is rich in humus, B, it is rich in iron compounds, number C, it is derived from volcanic origin, number D, it is rich in potash. Right answer is B, it is rich in iron compounds. Question number 12, soil formed by intense leaching is called A, alluvial soil, B, red soil, C, laterite soil, D, desert soil. Right answer is C, laterite soil. 13 question, which one of the following type of resource is iron ore? A, renewable resource, B, biotic resource, C, flow, D, non-renewable. Right answer is D option, that is non-renewable. 14, under which of the following type of resource can tidal energy be put? A, replenishable, B, human made, C, abiotic, D, non-renewable. Right answer is replenishable, option A, that they can be generated again and again. Question number 15, which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? A, intense cultivation, B, deforestation, C, over irrigation, D, overgrazing. Right answer is over irrigation. These were the 15 MCQs of chapter number 1 of Geography, Resources and Development. With the help of this site, we can find out other MCQs of the